What if you could write emails, blog posts, social media captions, scripts, and even books in minutes instead of hours? Whether you're a student, content creator, marketer, freelancer, or business owner, AI writing tools have become powerful productivity assistants. Today, we're counting down the 10 best AI writing tools that can help you write faster, smarter, and with better quality. Let's get started. Number 10. Starting our list is Grammarly. Grammarly interface checking grammar and rewriting sentences. Most people know Grammarly for correcting grammar and spelling, but today it also includes AI rewriting, tone adjustment, email drafting, and sentence improvement. It's perfect for professionals who want polished writing with minimal effort. Best for emails, reports, academic writing, everyday communication. Number 9. QuillBot, paraphrasing tool showing rewritten paragraphs. Need to rewrite existing content? QuillBot specializes in paraphrasing. It offers multiple writing modes, including formal, simple, creative, and academic. Students and researchers especially love its citation generator and summarizer. Best for paraphrasing, summaries, research papers, essays. Number 8. Sudowrite, creative writing interface generating stories. If you're writing novels or fiction, Sudowrite is one of the best AI assistants available. It helps generate descriptions, dialogue, plot ideas, and character development. Many authors use it to overcome writer's block. Best for novelists, fiction writers, storytelling. Number 7. Rytr, generate blog post, email, product description. Rytr is one of the most affordable AI writing assistants. Despite its low price, it offers more than 40 use cases. From blog ideas to marketing copy, Rytr delivers solid results for beginners. Best for freelancers, bloggers, small businesses. Number 6. Writesonic, for long-form article generation, SEO writing, landing page creation. Writesonic focuses on marketing content. It can generate blog articles, Facebook ads, Google ads, product descriptions, and SEO content. It also includes an AI chatbot for research. Best for digital marketers, SEO writers, e-commerce. Number 5. Notion AI, for meeting notes becoming summaries. Task list generated automatically. Already using Notion? Then Notion AI can become your built-in writing assistant. It summarizes notes, creates meeting minutes, generates ideas, and helps organize information. Perfect for teams and productivity enthusiasts. Number 4. Jasper AI, for marketing campaigns, brand voice, multiple content templates. Jasper is one of the most popular AI writing platforms for businesses. Its biggest strength is maintaining a consistent brand voice. Marketing teams use it to create blogs, emails, social posts, and advertising campaigns. Best for agencies, marketing teams, businesses. Number 3. Claude, long document analysis, writing assistant, research. Claude shines when working with long documents. It excels at thoughtful writing, editing, summarizing, and brainstorming. Many professionals prefer Claude for drafting reports and detailed articles because of its natural writing style. Best for research, long-form writing, editing. Number 2. Google Gemini. Gemini works inside Google Docs and Gmail. If you already live inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini makes writing incredibly convenient. It integrates with Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive. You can draft emails, summarize documents, and brainstorm ideas without leaving your workspace. Number 1. ChatGPT, for multiple examples: blog writing, script writing, email writing, book outline, business proposal. Taking the number 1 spot is ChatGPT. Its versatility makes it one of the best AI writing assistants available today. From YouTube scripts to blogs, business plans, emails, social media posts, coding, brainstorming, and even learning new skills. ChatGPT can adapt to almost any writing task. The key isn't just asking AI to write, it's giving it clear prompts. The better your prompt, the better your results. Let's do a quick recap of the top 10 AI writing assistants you should check out in 2026. Number 10, Grammarly. Perfect for grammar checking, tone adjustments, and polished writing. Number 9, QuillBot. Great for paraphrasing, summarizing, and rewriting content. Number 8, Jasper AI. Built for marketers, businesses, and long-form content creation. Number 7, Copy.ai. Excellent for social media posts, emails, and marketing copy. Number 6, Writesonic. A versatile AI writer for blogs, ads, and website content. Number 5, Rytr. Budget-friendly and easy to use for everyday writing tasks. Number 4, Notion AI. Ideal for note-taking, documentation, and productivity. Number 3, Sudowrite. The go-to AI assistant for fiction writers and storytellers. Number 2, Claude. Outstanding for long-form writing, deep analysis, and natural conversations. Number 1, ChatGPT. The most versatile AI writing assistant capable of brainstorming, drafting, editing, coding, researching, and much more. No single AI tool is perfect for everyone. The best choice depends on what you write, whether it's emails, blog posts, marketing copy, academic work, or creative stories. Many creators even combine 2 or 3 AI tools to get the best results. Which AI writing tool is your favorite? Did we miss one that deserves a spot on this list? Let everyone know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools that help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.